Welcome to the List Help videos. This video will show you how to customize your searches in LISTdata. To begin, navigate to the LISTdata homepage and click on the Custom Search button. Here, if I simply click on the magnifying glass, I see all available records. You can see that there are 755 results. In the Refine Your Search box, I'm going to refine my search by making a selection from the list of categories. You can make multiple selections if you wish. This action moves my criteria to the current search box, but it doesn't search until I click on the magnifying glass or press Enter. This has narrowed the results to 149. I'm now going to refine my search by location. Please note that there are two levels of information to select here. The region type, where I'm selecting local government areas, and then the region, where I'm selecting Burnie. I then click the magnifying glass to search. This has narrowed my results to 85. I can further refine by adding some text into the search bar and clicking the magnifying glass. I now have 13 results. There are other combinations of refinement options available in the Refine Your Search box. I can delete search criteria from the current search box by clicking on the X, then clicking on the magnifying glass again. Your search may have returned a large number of results. You can manually narrow these down by clicking the checkbox next to the records that you're interested in, and then click Refine Results in the paging bar. You can return to the full list of results by clicking on the back button in your browser. By clicking on Show Map, you can view the extent of the metadata on a map, indicated by orange boxes. To view an individual record in more detail, click on its title. Here, you can print the metadata record or open it as an XML document. Again, you can view the extent of the data on a map by clicking on Show Map. Additional and more advanced searching is available via GeoNetwork. To access GeoNetwork, click the View Full Metadata button. This isn't recommended for novice metadata users. Click on the Return to Search Results button to go back to your results page. Clicking on the Advanced Search link will also take you to GeoNetwork. I hope this video has been helpful for you. If you found it useful, please like it below and subscribe to our channel by clicking on the link in the top right corner of your screen. There are more videos and help resources available on the Land Information System Tasmania YouTube channel and the LIST website, or you can contact the Client Services Help Desk by phone or email.